This will be a real quick one. Just wanted to show that I have been doing some stuff. So I got my plumbing in. This is an Aeroflow 90-degree swivel full flow fitting on both. And you can see where I screwed up the hose because the I didn't wrap the tape tight enough when I fed this little nut in. And well, actually I was thinking these similar to the PTFEs or the other AN hoses I have. These big ones do not. They are specific to the type of fittings. Their different fittings have a little bit different assembly. These Aeroflows, this hose only sleeves in up to this little notch line right there. Didn't know that. So I, being dumb and didn't watch the video ahead of time, put this nut all the way over thinking I could just bring it back down, and well, it jacked up the hose. So this hose isn't that cheap either. So if I make another order, I'll order another foot of this, but this 1 foot piece was like 14 bucks. So yeah. Anyways, got this assembled, got it fit. I'm satisfied, looks nice. I needed to really order those nylon jaws and stop scuffing up these expensive ass fittings, because these big ass full flow swivel 90s, yeah, they're not cheap either. They're like damn near 40 bucks a piece. They're ridiculous. But I wanted full flow. I didn't want those China eBay ones that are itty bitty, narrow down where it's a choke point. Anyways, on to what I did today. I did this up pipe section twice actually, because the first time I made it, I was stupid and didn't put this shroud on and did not realize how far out this shroud sticks, an inch or so. Then the fan adds another inch or so here, all the way out to 2 inches out here. So, I mean, you're looking at roughly 2.5 inches that it added onto the radiator. So originally this was touching the fan. So obviously that wasn't gonna work. Had to break some tacks, redo it, and here we are. So I got a nice little J curve with it coming up. I have several pieces of pie cut. That was the section I had to take out. I have another straight with a 90 flat bottom and then a like 15 degree on the top. And then I have this straight piece, or fairly straight piece, and a bunch of pie cuts. So I can snake this up where I need it to be. I'm not gonna go any further with this till my turbo comes in, because I'm getting real tired of breaking tacks and having to redo work, because I had this finished up in 30 minutes and then I spent an hour and a half breaking everything loose, resanding, re-welding. So I'll call Monday and see what the deal is with my turbo, because I ordered it about 3 days shy of a month ago, and it's supposed to be 2 to 3 weeks added on to delivery time. And I haven't even gotten a message saying it's shipped. So unless they mailed it out and didn't send me an email that it's shipped, then yeah, we got a kind of annoyance, because that's gonna be my holdup right now. This side is sitting where it was before. It's waiting. I will run this across, and then I will curve it up, and then I will flange it in. I'll put a hole somewhere here. I'll get a piece of pipe and butt it up here, and I'll end up sanding away to make it to where it butts up flush to this. I'll mark it, drill it out with a hole saw as best as I can, or a drill and a burr tool, whatever. But I'll notch the hole out and then weld on that piece, and then I'll probably end up adding on to the piece that I Y right here. So I'll take a small section and butt it up to here first, which will kick it downward, and then I'll pie cut it to get it straight. Then I'll take bellows there and another section of straight and bring it to this, and this is just loose, so I can just kind of butt it up. Once I get the straight run in, I can just kind of rotate this over and into place and then tack it from down here. I'll have to clean the shit out of this pipe, because the other day when I rotated my motor around, I really need to take this belt off. Rotated the power steering pump, and this thing has a little bit of oil in it to keep it lubricated, and well, it forced it out of this cap and onto my exhaust. So now I'm gonna have to wipe the shit out of the exhaust before I weld it up. Anyways, I think that's all for now. That's really all I've done, I think. You already saw the gauges. Did that before. And yeah, that's it. I got some more this nylon braid shit. I ordered some smaller pieces so I could do my fans and my wiring up front. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I'll hopefully come back to next video having a turbo. And yeah, this is a snug fit with these shroud. There's not a whole lot of clearance there. So yeah, I might end up having to do some adjustments later on down the road whenever I get a new motor if the serpentine system adds any distance forward. I might have to rethink my shroud and make some kind of changes there. Yeah, alright guys. Thanks for watching. Later.